Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Melinda if you're hearing me for the first time. Have you been creating carousels from scratch and wondering like it's taking a lot of time and you do not know how to go about it? Today I have 3 simple tools and they are free for you to use. I am going to take you through a step-by-step process of how you can create carousels so that you can post them on your social media pages. First tool that we're going to use is called ChatGPT, the mother of them all. So you're going to come to ChatGPT. You can go to your browser, open it up. You can always sign up or you can log in with your Google account, Gmail account, or any email that you have. But if you don't want to log in, you can still use it just for free. So what you're going to do to ChatGPT, you're going to come to ChatGPT and give it a prompt. So our prompt says, create a 7-slide Instagram carousel about 5 times 7 tools for remote workers. Each slide should have a headline and a 1 to 2 short bullet points. Make sure that when you're putting the prompt on ChatGPT, you give it the full prompt of everything that you want it to happen, because ChatGPT is going to generate based on the prompt that you give it, okay? So once you put that prompt in, you're going to search, and ChatGPT is going to generate for you all the things that you're supposed to do. So everything has been simplified for you. You don't have to worry. You don't have to be a designer for you to do all this. ChatGPT has got you and is going to give you all the steps that you need. So once you have your slides, you're going to copy them all. Make sure you copy them all as ChatGPT has given you. And then now once you're done with all those, you're going to copy them and then you're going to paste to another tool that we are going to use in this video. So once you've copied it, you're going to come to an app called Gamma. Go to your browser, just search in gamma.app, and then it's going to open a homepage like this. So if you've never used the Gamma app, you're not going to see anything, but for me, I've used the prompts here. That's how my page looks like. So you're going to come here and you're going to paste that prompt that you had from ChatGPT. You're going to choose either is it presentation, web page, document, or social. Because we want to create a social media page, carousels for the social media page like Instagram, we are going to tick on social. You're going to come here and pick the style that you want. Is it portrait, square, or stories? Depending on the idea that you want, you're going to check it. I'm going to pick the square. And then here, I'm going to paste the prompt that I had on ChatGPT. Once you're done with that, you're going to come here. You can either choose for it to generate from notes or an outline, summarize long text or documents, preserve this extra text. If you want it to be preserved, you don't want it to be like that, you can just choose among the 3 here. So I'm going to choose this one, or you can choose this one based on what you want, and then you're going to continue. Once you continue, it's going to configure and then it's going to give you. You're going to come here to this side on your left side. You're going to choose either do you want it to be minimal, concise, detailed, or extensive. Depending on the idea that you want to use, you can come here, choose the language that you want, the visuals that you want. Do you want it to be in this bubble or do you want it to be this? Depending on what you want, go for it. So we are going to choose this one here. And then you can choose if you want AI images or stock photos, web images. Depending on what you want, you're going to choose here. So for right now, we are just going to choose automatic, or we can choose AI. Let's see, AI images. And then you choose here based on what you want. If you want it to be illustration or photorealistic, depending with what you want. You're going to choose. Then once you're done, you can choose the style here based on what you want. Remember, the format is square. Once you are satisfied with everything here from your left hand side, you can either choose it to be freeform or card by card. So we need it to be card by card, or if you want it to be freeform, this is how it's going to look like. Or if you want it to be card by card, you're going to choose that. Then once you're done with that, you're going to come here and you're going to generate your slides. So it's generating the slides, and once it's done, you're going to check them out. Then you make sure you save them as a PDF. You can see now it's ready. It turns out well. The colors are beautiful. So you can come here, check them out. It's generating. Look at the pages. The pages look so amazing and wonderful. So everything has been created and it's simplified. It has been simplified for you, so you don't have to worry about creating carousels from scratch. Now, once you have all those done there, you're going to come here to the share button. And then on the share button, you're going to come and export it or share. You can export it as a PDF. So you're going to download it here. And once it's downloaded, you're going to come to the third app that I'm going to show you in a minute on how you see your download is here. So you're going to save it. Once you save it, you're going to come to Canva. Canva is an open web app where you can just use it to create everything that you need. So you're going to come to Canva, and then once you go to Canva, okay, let me use the Canva here. You're going to come to Canva, and then you're going to go to the home page. Then once you're on your home page, you're going to click on the uploads. Once you click on the uploads, you're going to upload the file that you had downloaded. Remember the PDF that you downloaded, you're going to click on it, or you can just click and drag to your page. And then once you're done with it, you're going to just click on that design so that you can be able to edit it, right? So here is our document. As you can see, it looks so lovely. If you want, you can leave it like that, but if you need to change anything, do make sure that you can change it. So this is the pages. They look lovely, and they have a gamma watermark. So you make sure that you remove the watermark, because you don't want to show everybody that this document was created by Gamma. But if you don't mind, you can just go on ahead and use it. So we are going to first of all delete the watermark from every page that has been created. And then we can always change the fonts if you want to. If you want to generate other pictures, you can always do so. And I'll show you in a minute on how you can do that. So you're going to remove all the watermarks that are here on these pages. And then now you can see everything looks lovely, everything looks amazing, but you have to go through the whole document to make sure that everything that is being said is really as per the standard of what you are trying to give people. You don't want to give people wrong information. So you're going to go through the document, make sure that the spacing is all right. So you can come here, click on the spacing, make sure that everything that has been written here is according or is at par, according to how it's supposed to be written. Don't give people just generic information. Make sure that you go through everything to make sure that every word is created right. Change the fonts if you want to. You can change this text to any, you see like this one is Anton, you can always go here. You can change it to anything that you want, any font that you want, based on the template that. The third app that you're going to use is called Canva. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to Canva, and once you're on Canva, you're going to see this display here. You're going to go to the uploads, and once you're on the uploads, you're going to upload that file that you had downloaded from Gamma, all right? So you're going to click here, and then once you click it, you can either drop it or you can just come here and choose that document. So once you choose it, you're going to click on it, and then it's going to be downloaded, all right? So you're going to come here, click on, all right, so this is the document that you had downloaded from Gamma, and as you can see, it has all these different pages that have been created. If you want to create your own page that with your own words, because maybe Gamma did not exhaust all the information that you need, you just need to click here. You can add another page, and then you can create it using your own words and your own images. You just click on elements, put in an image based on what you want, and then you can come here and type in the words that you want. On the text, you can just come add a little body and say maybe another tool that you did not use. Let's say Zoom. If you feel like that they did not give you they did not exhaust that, you can just do that. Then once you do that, you put it there, you put your own words, you continue, all right? And then now once you're here, you come to this page, you look at it. If you want to change this image, you just come to the elements, type in the element that you're looking for, and once you're satisfied with the element that you want, you can just come here, delete this first image, and then you put your own image, the one that you want to put on your page. You can resize it to fit your own needs. So once you're done, you can always change the color here. If you want the color to be another color apart from the one they gave you, you can always do that. If you do not want to change the colors and you love the colors that have been given by Gamma, go on ahead and use them. And then for the font, you can always change the fonts to whatever font you like. Depending on what you like, you can always change the fonts to suit your needs, all right? Then make sure you go through every text, because Gamma did, when Gamma gave you the information and you put it on Canva, it's not going to suit the Canva. It's not going to look good on Canva because you have now to edit it. Because if you can see here, customizable, you have to come here to this customizable, make sure you edit them so that they look well, because nobody wants to, you don't want to just put on the information that is not being created well. You create these, you make sure that everything is to perfection. Then once you've gone through the page, you like everything you're seeing, you can now go on ahead and download your page. You just go on to hit the download, and then once you do that, it will give you PNG. Depending on what you want to do, you can always do it as JPEG, PDF, MP4, depending with whatever you want to use here, you can always do that. And then once you do that, you can download it. If you want to download all pages or just the current page, you can do that, or all pages. Then once you're done, or if you want to just click some, you can just select which one you want. And then once you're done, you just click done, and then it's going to download to your phone. You download it as a PDF, then you can go on ahead and you can now go on ahead and post to your page, and those carousels have been done in under 30 minutes. If you have any questions or anywhere you did not understand and you would like for me to clarify, please leave a comment in the video and I'll get back to you. I hope to get back to you with more videos. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe so that you don't miss out on any information that I give out. Thank you so much for being here, guys. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye bye for now.